from the following data of Jignesh Company Limited, find out opening stock, closing stock, and creditors. આ ત્રણ વસ્તુ શોધવાની છે તમારે. Sales is given, gross profit ratio is given, stock turnover ratio is given, working days is 350, creditors ratio is 145 days, and opening stock is more by 6,000 than closing stock. Okay, these are the available information to us, and we required these three items: opening stock chahiye, closing stock chahiye, or creditors chahiye. What the information is: sell is available, gross profit is available, and stock turnover ratio is available. So sales, gross profit ratio, and stock turnover, these things will give you something. Okay, so and working days is given, creditors ratio is also given. Creditors ratio is useful here. Yes, creditors is required to calculate. That's why it's required. Okay, so let's go for it. First of all, you know that what is stock turnover ratio? Stock turnover ratio, turnover ratio. Okay, formula for it: STR is equal to STR is equal to COGS equation in COGS upon average stock. This is formula. Now, what is STR is given to you? STR કેટલું આપેલું છે?
2.5 times.
2.5 times. So here 2.5. 2.5. COGS is given? No. But sales and gross profit is helpful in determining the COGS. You know that. Let's go for the working note. Sales is equal to rupees. What is the amount of sales is available? 5 lakh. And the gross profit is equal to sales into 35%. Okay, so rupees 5 lakh into 35%. Calculate.
1,75,000.
1,75,000 rupees. So COGS is equal to sales minus gross profit. Sales maki gross profit minus gross. So it is COGS is equal to rupees 5 lakh minus 1,75,000. What your answer is? COGS is equal to
3,25,000.
3,25,000 rupees. This is your COGS. Correct? Now put here 3,25,000. Now with the help of this formula, can you calculate average stock? Yes, definitely. So average stock is equal to is equal to 3,25,000 divided by કેટલાથી ડિવાઇડ કરશું બોલો? 2.5 થી. What your answer is now?
1,30,000.
1,30,000. So average stock is rupees 1 lakh. How much you ask? 1 lakh 30,000.
30,000.
1,30,000. આ તમને એવરેજ મળે, પણ એવરેજ ઉપરથી ઓપનિંગ અને ક્લોઝિંગ તો ના ખબર પડે ને, એ તમારે કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરવાનું છે. કઈ રીતે કરશો ઓપનિંગ અને ક્લોઝિંગ? કંઈક ઇક્વેશન આપેલી તમને. one equation is given to you that opening stock is more by 6,000 than closing stock. ઓપનિંગ કરતા ક્લોઝિંગ 6,000 વધારે છે. ઓપનિંગ ક્લોઝિંગ કરતા 6,000 વધારે છે. ઓપનિંગ સ્ટોક is more by 6,000 than closing stock. So what we need to do to bifurcate this? We are having average. આપણી પાસે તો એવરેજ છે. એવરેજ નો શું ફોર્મ્યુલા થાય ખબર છે તમને? એવરેજ સ્ટોક ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ average stock is equal to, you know that, opening stock
plus closing
plus closing stock
divided by 2.
and divided by 2. Okay, so let's see, make some changes. Divided by 2. Okay, now instead of average stock we can write 1,30,000. We don't know the opening stock, we don't know the closing stock, but this is the equation. Average stock 1,30,000 is equal to opening stock plus closing stock divided by 2. So let assume closing stock is X. એવું માની લો કે closing stock તમારું X છે. માની શકાય? જો આ X હોય તો ઓપનિંગ સ્ટોક કેટલું હોય? X કરતા 6,000 વધારે. તો મતલબ X plus 6,000. Am I correct? This is your opening stock. Opening stock X કરતા 6,000 વધારે. Are you getting this equation? કોઈ confusion આ equation માં? Anybody?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So what we need to do now, if you transfer this 2 on opposite side, then it becomes 2,60,000. So here 2,60,000. And this X plus X, that means 2X. 2X plus 6,000. Okay, now solve out this. Now 2X is equal to, if you put this on this side,
2,54,000. 2x is equal.
and if you put this on this side, then this 6,000 is become minus. This formula is correct. So finally X is equal to, what happened? This 2 will transfer on opposite side. This 2 will transfer here. Okay, and this 6,000 is minus. Then what is the answer here? 2
4,000.
lakh
4,000.
54,000 divided by 2. Then what is the x? X કેટલું મળે તમને?
1,27,000.
So your x is 1,27,000. Correct? कोई doubt? So X means what? Closing stock. So closing stock is equal to rupees 1,27,000 and opening stock is equal to rupees 1,27,000 plus rupees 6,000 is equal to rupees 1,33,000. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, anybody?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. So here we calculate the two answers, opening stock and closing stock. Okay. Here we require to calculate opening stock and closing stock. Apart from this, we required creditors. તમારે creditors ની પણ જરૂર છે. એ કેવી રીતે મળશે હવે creditors ની રકમ? COGS તમારી પાસે આવી ગયું, opening stock આવી ગયું અને closing stock બી આવી ગયું, તો purchase બી મળી શકશે. ઓકે, એ purchase ની મદદથી આપણે લાવીશું. ઓકે, તો આટલે સુધીનું ડાઉટ કોઈ ક્લિયર નહીં હોય? આ વર્કિંગ નોટ છે તમારી અલગથી. ઓકે, બે આન્સર તમે લાવી દીધા. Now we will go for the next calculation. You know that COGS is equal to opening stock plus purchase minus closing stock. So what is COGS here? 3,25,000 is equal to opening stock is, as we calculated above, 1,33,000. What is purchase? We don't know. Purchase minus closing stock is rupees 1,27,000. Now what is purchase? With the help of this, purchase is equal to, चलो फाइनल आंसर बोलो મને ખાલી. 3,25,000 minus 133 plus 127. Give me the answer. Yes. Give me the answer.
3,90,000.
3 lakh 90
19,000.
19,000. 3 lakh 19,000 rupees. This is your purchase. And it is assumed that all purchase on credit. એવું માની લઈએ કે બધો જે purchase છે એ credit માં જ હોય. Now we are having creditors ratio. Creditors ratio આપી દીધો છે 145 days. So what is the formula of creditors ratio? Creditors ratio is equal to the formula. Creditors plus bills payable divided by credit purchase into number of days into number of days. This is the formula, right? It is equal to inner side. Ujit. Okay. I am very glad you. Yes. Now put the values in formula. What is the creditors ratio given to you? 145 days. 145. ક્રેડિટર શોધવાના છે. બિલ્સ પેબલ છે જ નહીં એવું માની લઈએ 0. ક્રેડિટ પરચેસની રકમ 3,19,000 તમે ઉપર કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરેલી છે. અને નંબર ઓફ ડેઝ ઇન અ યર is given, I think. Number of days in a year is 350. Working days 350. 350. Chalo. Now what is creditors? Creditors is equal to 3,19,000 into 145 divided by 350. Tell me the answer.
1,32,157.
1,32,157.
157.
Everybody got this answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here your example is completed. Whatever they ask, this kind of examples are called missing figures kind of example.